Hey everyone, Zain is here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Dasher Direct Virtual Card. First, you should open the application on your phone and make sure that you have the latest update. After that, you will find here this home page. And in fact, guys, Dasher Direct Virtual Card will be a very good choice if you use it in any transactions that accept debit or credit cards. But first, you will have to make yourself a virtual card. So to do that, you can simply go to more options on the right side right here. Then you should click on manage cards. And here in this section, manage card, you will find an option that says direct virtual card. But if you do not have it displayed right here, as you can see in this screenshot, this means that you have to update the application or contact the support in order to solve this problem. Or you can simply verify your card again. And don't worry, as long as you have the physical card, your account is properly validated. When you select View Virtual Card, you will see this information. You will see your card number and all the details about your virtual card. And by using this information, you can use Dasher Direct Virtual Card in any store or retailer online that accepts credit or debit cards payment. You will have to copy the card number and the expiration date, in addition to the security code, in order to use it as a payment method. And you can also attach this virtual card to any digital wallet if you want, like Apple Payment Card or Google Payment Card, just in order to make it easier for yourself. And you can also do so, add it to any digital wallet by using these details. You will just have to click on the plus sign in whatever digital wallet that you have, then fill in all this information and it will be successfully added and you can use it through your digital wallet. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.